Heat presses are made of a heating element, 1 or 2 handles for pressing, a pressure adjustment knob, a time and temperature gauge, and a lower platen. Using a heat press is as simple as these steps. Adjust the machine to the right temperature, time, and pressure. Then prepare the substrate and heat transfer on the lower platen. Finally, bring the heating element down with its handles to apply the transfer. Whatever size any heat press is, or whether it's in the clamshell or swing-away style, each one is built for essential functions, ease of use, and increased productivity. The heating element is the most essential part of any machine. It essentially works like a large iron that can cover a wide area or even the full garment. Certain heat presses are built with floating heating elements in that, upon pressing, they will position themselves slightly more to fully apply heat to substrates. Handles are necessary for heat presses due to the high temperatures required for any heat transfers, allowing for machine operation to be safe. While many are built with a single handle for pressing, using a secondary handle adds additional leverage ideal for high-pressure application, or as a swing-away handle for swing-away machines. The pressure adjustment knob is another essential part of a heat press to precisely set the appropriate pressure needed by different materials. Most times you'll be able to determine pressure by getting a feel for how tight or how loose the heating element is when pressed down. But the easiest way to check is to do a pressure test using a blank sheet of paper. HPN machines come with a digital computer gauge for temperature scale, temperature, and time in seconds. Digital gauges allow for the exact time and temperature numbers to be set before pressing, though some other machines may use analog gauges instead. Some heat presses include lower platens which can slide out. This adds additional safety upon pressing, much like a swing-away machine. Rather than moving the heating element away for working space, simply pull the lower platen out and prepare your application. Lastly, the most advanced heat presses often include an auto-open heating element, powered by hydraulic or air-based technology, which lifts the element up after the set time elapses. This feature increases productivity and reduces pressing fatigue, especially when transferring a large number of substrates. To learn more about heat presses, please visit us at heatpressnation.com.